Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a nude lip video by e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the Lip Lacquer or Lacquer in the particular shade Natural, and this is available on the e.l.f. Cosmetics website. It retails for $3. There are 6 shades to choose from, including clear, but this is the one that I've been loving, and I've actually had this one forever. It's definitely a very pale nude shade, but it definitely matches my medium to tan skin and my dry to normal skin, my lips, my natural lips. So if there are wrinkles, that's just natural. And I like to do close-ups to show you the product. So I absolutely love the lip lacquer. I feel like I wish they had a lot more shades to choose from, but I definitely have my favorites. And one of them is actually unavailable. I think it's called Scott, but hopefully they'll bring that back, and it's more of a pinkier shade. But with a lip liner, this shade in particular is so beautiful, and it provides maximum color and brilliant shine. It's formulated with vitamin E to moisturize the lips. It's perfect for wearing alone or layered over lipstick for a bold lip statement. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to share that with you. I feel like fall definitely makes me want to wear some nude shades, so stay tuned for more videos on some nude lips. I do have a nude playlist, so go ahead and check that out. But subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys.